You know you need to track your vehicles and protect your staff, but do you have the full picture? Sometimes, a dot on a map isn't enough. Welcome to the Simply Unified online shop, secure and easy to use. We are Australia's home for trusted tracking technology and cutting-edge safety solutions. Discover our range of video telematics. From dash cams to AI-powered multi-camera systems, you can stream footage in real time, exonerate drivers from false claims, and improve fleet safety instantly. And we cover the rest too. Whether it's rugged asset trackers, real-time vehicle telematics, or the Duress Phoenix for lone worker protection, we have the hardware you need. Shopping with us is safe and simple. No hidden fees, free shipping Australia-wide, and full support from our local Australian team. See more and risk less. Click the link in this post to visit our shop and upgrade your fleet with the latest in video, tracking and safety technology, or call us on 1300 599 540.